And so after nga namin sa People's Park, pumunta naman kami dito sa may nag-trend na Champorado Dome. So sa Tagaytay din ito. And then, that was last November 28. So for 180 pesos, meron na siyang and the chips, tapos yung dome, and then yung danggit. Yan, with suka, yan. Okay, so, yan. Sa Damgo Cafe and Restaurant, madali lang siyang hanapin, along the way lang din naman siya. Along the road siya. Lalagay ko na lang yung exact location. And then yan yung hot milk na ibubuhos mo sa dome. Yung gamit niya actually na rice is parang sa mango sticky rice. Glutinous rice ata yung tawag doon. Anyway, sabi sa TikTok, nakita ko masyadong maraming milk. So, nakadepende naman sa'yo. Pero since ina-enjoy ko yung pagbuhos-buhos dyan, because that was the purpose nga, itry yung pagbuhos-buhos ng hot milk. Anyway, naubos ko naman yung milk dyan. So, hindi naman nagkaroon ng, alam mo yun, hindi masama ko yung chan or something sa sobrang dami ng milk. Well, again, it depends on you. Then, yung milk, yung chocolate niya masarap din. You have to try this, guys. Thank you.